Healthcare workers around the world are struggling with the lack of protective gear. But in Russia, the problem is more complicated. Doctors in Russia are mysteriously falling from hospital windows and dying. In what may not be a coincidence, these doctors also question the lack of proper facilities. Medical students, meanwhile, are being forced to work in hospitals or face expulsion from college. Here's a report.
They are fighting on the front lines, risking their lives to save others. It is a battle against a deadly enemy. But these warriors are not armed. Doctors across the world do not have enough protective gear. They are succumbing to the disease. In Russia, the situation is particularly appalling. 3 frontline healthcare workers have fallen out of hospital windows. The mysterious incidents took place in just the last 2 weeks and have aggravated the anger over the working conditions for the frontline workers. 2 of the medics lost their lives. The third one, ambulance doctor Alexander Sholopov, is now in a serious condition. Sholopov had spoken out about the kind of pressure that he and his colleagues were facing. He said he was instructed to work despite testing positive for COVID-19. Just days later, Sholopov jumped out of a hospital window. Lying on the hospital bed, he then retracted his claims. The second video triggered speculation that he had backtracked under duress. While investigations continue, the 3 incidents have raised question marks over the kind of pressure doctors in Russia are facing. Not just those on the front lines, even students are bearing the brunt. With the crisis intensifying, medical students are being forced to work in hospitals. And if they refuse to do so, they are threatened with expulsion. It's a tough choice. Fight a virus despite lack of protective equipment, or get expelled from school. Meanwhile, the numbers are mounting in Russia. The country reported more than 10,000 coronavirus cases for 4 days in a row. The latest spike takes the total number of cases to over 165,000. Bureau Report, WION World is One.